Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is kurumicooks. This video shows you how to make pan-fried mackerel in a soy marinade. Please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here are the ingredients. 1 mackerel fillet per person. I'm only cooking 2 today. 2 tablespoons of mirin. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, which is enough to marinate 4 fillets. And 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil for frying. Marinate the flesh of the 2 fillets with 1 tablespoon of mirin and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Leave them in the fridge for at least 1 hour or 3 to 4 hours if possible. Coat the fillet well before frying. Heat the oil in a frying pan and fry the fillet for 3 minutes each side over medium heat. When the flesh side is lightly browned, the fillets are ready. Garnish with some salad. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website Kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!